With UNA's Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about ArrayList. ArrayList is a construct similar to arrays, but which is a little bit more powerful than array because it changes size dynamically. So its length is not defined with a number here. It's based on what you've been adding to the arrays. So we add value in the array list while we're using add method, as you can see here. So we're adding we just put some soccer player names here: Messi, Mbappe, Neymar, Navas, Kipembe, Di Maria. So this is how we add values. So the first one we add is gonna take index 0. The second one, index 1. The third one is gonna be index 2, as if instead of defining the index, we don't need to define it. We just need to use add, and then it's gonna be adding a automatically assigning it the index based on which is available next. So let's try to print it here and then see what's happening. So we use get to access a value from an array list, and then we define we use get with the index number to see what is inside at some specific position. So we're gonna run it and then see what's happening. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. We have everything here: Messi, Mbappe, Neymar, Di Maria, Navas, Kipembe. The same way we add them. So let's now uncomment this. We're gonna change what we have at index 5 to Sergio Ramos. So basically we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Kipembe should be gone. And then we're gonna print the last one to see if Kipembe is still there. Eventually it's gonna be print first because it's inside this for loop, but after changing it at 5, it should be Sergio Ramos. Let's run it and then see. Alright, let's see in the console. As you can see, we have the first one we had before, and then now we have Sergio Ramos. So set method helps us to change a value in the specific index of an array list. There are many other methods that we use in array list. For that, you can check the documentation. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye for now.